ASTATECH Center presents Primavera P6 lesson. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Primavera P6 Professional, Lesson 17, Budget. In this lesson, we will cover topics such as 1. Defining budget. 2. Establishing budget. 3. Top-down estimate. 4. Monthly cash flow and spending plan. 5. Preparing a monthly spending plan. 6. Tracking and analyzing budget in P6. Defining budget. Budgets is the total estimate, or cash necessary, to complete a project. Before a project starts, the resource and its cost, along with the operational cost are ascertained, and tabulated by the project manager, taking scopes into considerations. When there is any change requirement comes, resources, and financial support are need be adjusted to compensate for those changes, or may be explained for addition cash requirements. The stakeholders involved in project funding, and financial supporters, may need to know a top-down estimate, when project is underway. Primavera P6 module, tracks these changes, while retaining the original budgeted cost. Establishing budget. A budget estimates can be established, at the planning stage, then get refined, as project progresses. Record the budget changes as they occur. Then, use these changes to calculate the latest budgeted amounts for the project. You can also record monthly spending of budgeted fund by tracking the current variance amounts, and roll up monthly spending plan, at its project level. Once the initial total budget amount is known, you can start apportioning anticipated monthly spending amounts of a project. The module keeps on tracking the total spending plan and assess the variance between this original and the current budget. This process is repeated throughout the project life cycle. Top-down estimate. The top-down estimate is key to the planning and controlling of any project. The structure used by a company to organize a projects must be flexible enough to maintain its WBS level budget against the resources allotted to different tasks under each to it, along with overheads. Primavera P6 facilitates a top-down budgeting approach. The project manager, or the stakeholders, responsible for taking decisions about launching a project, requires high-level budget estimates. This estimate is set at the project level. Top-down estimate and monthly cash flow. For district school project, PURI, DSPP, the budgeted cost, at project level is 564,807,379 INR and WBS, level 1. Foundation is 8,487,813 Indian rupees, structure is 14,211,020 INR, internal finish is 15,515,145 INR, external finish is 457,504,143 Indian rupees, external development work 69,089,254 Indian rupees, and at WBS level 2 cost are also calculated. Since final estimate is firmly established, budget, at all level of WBS a monthly spending plan can also be made. Primavera P6 calculates a monthly cash flow requirement for the project. Project manager to see that the spending should not go beyond the budget values. Establishing budget in P6, spending plan and monthly cash flow. A monthly cash flow, obtained from the standard report groups, CTE01. Monthly cash flow or CTE02. Cash flow at WBS level, are available, and therefore a monthly spending plan, is easily generated, which is generally 75% to 80% of monthly cash flow requirement of a project is easily obtained. Staying in project window, for district school project, PURI, DSPP2, use the budget log tab at bottom layout and enter Original budget value as 564,807,379 Indian rupees, taken from top tabular layout. Spending plan. Open the Spending Plan tab, at bottom layout, and enter the monthly spending plan values. The total spending plan of the project is then visible. You can also draw a benefit plan. Benefit variants on spending plan are also indicated in the Spending Plan tab. Open the Budget Summary tab to see the original budget, current budget value, total spending plan value, variance, which is difference of these two, and also the total benefit plan value. Tracking and analyzing budget in P6. In order to track and analyze budget, from time to time, customize the project window columns related to budgets such as Project Idaho, project name, original budget, current budget, total spending plan, total benefit plan, current variance, budget at completion total cost. Budget parameters together, which includes its variance, are analyzed to understand the current budget performance of the project. Primavera P6 Software Demonstration. Lesson 17. Topics. A top-down budget is arrived at once the activities under each WBS are planned. It means resources are assigned to complete each activity. A top-down estimate for district school project (PRI) has been arrived at each WBS level, thereby the project cost. Total budgeted cost column can be added in the tabular layout to see the top-down budget. Go to the project window and add the column in the top tabular area as Project ID, Project Name, Original Budget, Current Variance, Total Spending Plan, Total Benefit Plan, Budget at Completion Total Cost. At bottom layout, consider tabs such as General, Date, Budget Log, Budget Summary, Spending Plan, Funding, Default, Calculation and Contract Manager. Click Tool and select Report and again Report to access the available tabular re-reports. Consider CT01, that is monthly project cash flow, and CT02 monthly project cash flow by WBS for further analysis. Enter the values of cash requirement on each month from Project Cash Flow Report, under Spending Plan column of Spending Plan tab and Project View. Now, open the Budget Summary tab and see the total budget, current variance if any, total spending plan and total benefit plan. If the project is in progress, all these values along with current budget you can see in the Budget Summary tab. These values are also seen under respective columns of the Project Tabular Layout view. The budgeting in Primavera P6 is an important tool to control budget and issues arising from overspending. Closely observe the steps so that you get familiar with the sequence of operations. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.